Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Molly and here we do sewing, crafts, and fun. Today we are sewing. I want to make this blouse pattern. I'm not actually sure which view I want to do yet, which version, but we're just going to see how much fabric I have and what will work best pattern-wise. This is the fabric that I'm going for. It's gonna be a nice cotton, and I think this will be really cute, nice little summery shirt to wear. Let's get started. Hello, it's a new day and our decision on which shirt to make was decided for us because these pattern pieces only contain the ones for the short sleeve shirt and this shirt in the corner. So we are doing this one, which is too bad because I wanted to make that. I'm going to cut out the pieces and then we'll get started with our stitchery witchery. I lied. I just found the front piece. So we're making view 2. It's time. Okay, I've got the pieces cut out except for the back facing. I'm a little bit worried about the fit because this pattern is for a 34-inch bust and I have a 40-inch bust. So what I'm gonna do right now is like pin the pieces together as they'd be sewn and try it on and see if I need to like add a back insert or something. So give me just a second. I also changed to pants because it was getting too hard to crawl around in the mini skirt I was wearing earlier. And when you're sewing and you don't have a cutting table, you have to do a lot of rolling around on the floor. Let me put that shirt on and I'll show you what it looks like. Something I'm already seeing is that these armholes look like they might be too small. Actually, you know, I've got myself in here now and it's all right. It is gonna be a little off the shoulder. Okay, all right. I wanna be able to just pull this on over my noggin. The back pieces I should have cut on the fold, but I didn't have enough fabric. Yeah, that actually, it looks like a sack right now, but I'm seeing how it's gonna come together and I think this will actually be pretty darn good. And it fits, which was the main concern. Now I'm looking at this, the arms do feel good. Okay, it's meant to have facings on it, but I don't really wanna do that. I kinda wanna put like a white bias tape around the outside. Just go with that. I think what I'm gonna do is let's sew it together and then we can see if we wanna add the bias binding. Okay, there's a plan. Oh, we're down a little low. Okay, so I sewed the darts and now I am going to sew up the, ow, I got myself with a pin. Sew up the top sleeves and the sides and then we'll go from there. All right. Okay, this is looking pretty like 50s, 60s, pretty cute. I am happy, I'm a happy camper. I have realized though, in order for this, oh, my head is not in the shot. There we go. In order for this to work, to be able to wear it and take it on and off and stuff, I'm gonna have to do buttons in the back, which I'm not excited about, but it will be good practice. My machine has some trouble with buttons because I've lost the button attachment, and that's why I'm so hesitant to using them, but it's something I do need to get over because buttons are great. So I'm going to put on the bias binding, and first I'm gonna bind the inside seams so that they don't come unraveled. I'm just gonna zigzag over the top. Yeah, yep. Let's chat a bit while I pin this bias binding on. How are you doing? I am doing pretty darn good. I'm really excited for summer and doing some summer things. Ever since we went on the Disney trip, I feel like I've just had, I went to Disneyland and made a cute little vlog about it. You should watch that. I will put a card for it here. But ever since I went on the Disney trip, I have just had like so many random expenses come up lately. So I am trying to have a more chill summer spending wise. We are off to a start. Not a great start, but a start nonetheless. Now, should I try and just sew over the top of this, or should I sew one side and then whip stitch the other? It'll look tidier if I do that. I should do that. I should be a good sausage. Today, I got this bias tape off Amazon. It comes in a great big roll, which is amazing, but it is also extremely stiff. Like, this has gotta have polyester in it because it is very, very stiff and not the easiest thing to work with, so I don't love that, but I have it, so I gotta use it. Basically, my plan for sewing coming up, switching gears, I want to do a lot more sewing of like more practical things that I can wear. I know that's not quite as interesting for videos and stuff, but I can't be spending all this time on projects that just go in my closet. It's too much time and money, so that's gonna be one of my things. I really want to make a bunch of really wearable clothing and show you guys all the fun ways you can do that, especially with like vintage patterns. Oh, is my camera dying? My camera's gonna die! I gotta go find a new battery. So we're gonna finish pinning this and then we're gonna find a new battery. Bye! Okay, I'm not sure what I've shown you since we were last working on this, but I've sewn the top facing on, and now I have to do the sleeves and fold everything over. But I am going to be heading out to dinner soon to hang out with my friend Emily. So I think I might put this down and then go get ready, and then we'll come back to this later. So good, pretzels. It's my friend, it's Emily. Hi. It's you. We're out to dinner. We're gonna eat pretzels. We're gonna eat these pretzels. Hello all. Okay, I've got the facings on. I'm getting kind of hospital gown if it was a crop top. It does look vintage, but I think I'll have to pair it with something vintagey on the bottom. Right now, I just have the back pinned up, but I was able to get it over my head. So that means we don't have to do buttons, and I'm really excited. I will work on buttons in the future. That is gonna be a goal. I don't want to. But what I'm gonna do now is sew up the back, press everything, put in the hem, and then we can do the reveal. Oh, I'm so excited. So this week has been going really well. Today, Kate and I are gonna go to the zoo and grab some dinner out. I'm really looking forward to it, just to spend some sister time together. Will be great. The lad, Kyle's birthday, is this coming weekend, so I'm looking forward to that too. Oh, and my dad's birthday is next week. We've got a lot of fun things coming up. I have missed a couple of uploads in the last 3 weeks. I think I've done one so far in the last 3 weeks. And my goal is always to do an upload every week, but sometimes I don't have the prep done. So I'm hoping to do more videos. I've got a ton planned. I'm really excited, and I'm still trying to do that like kind of easier projects for myself, like this top, so that I can get more content out. It's just sort of a matter of planning, and what I've been doing lately is overscheduling myself socially. And I've got so many people I want to see and hang out with, but if I'm not home, I can't do the projects. So that has been what's kind of getting in the way. This week, I don't have any social plans outside the house except for Friday. So I'm hoping that's gonna set me up to get a bunch of videos pre-filmed, and we will be in the clear to bring you some sweet, sweet content. I'm trying to think of any other updates I've got for you. I don't think I really have anything right now. So I'm gonna just go back to ironing and listening to my podcast, and then I'll show you how this looks when I've put the bottom seam in. All right, bye. Okay, so this is the blouse. I like it a lot. It's very comfy. I'm still a little bit self-conscious of it because it is kind of baggy at the bottom, but I think that's good. I mean, like, I could have put darts in here, but then I wouldn't have been able to fit it over my head, and I would have had to do the buttons, which I didn't want to do. So overall, I think I'm pleased. It was definitely something I can wear to work, and that is a good thing. We need more things like that. If you liked this video, feel free to give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe, be brave, and do your best. Okay, bye.